Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you as always for coming back. Every year around this time I do this video and I'm always just as excited to bring you the Lancome holiday box. When it comes to Lancome products, I would like to say that I'm very versed. I get excited when they launch a new product. I've tried just about everything they offer. Overall, they have amazing products that actually work. So I'm a fan. I've been a fan for many years now. 3 years I've been on YouTube. 3 years I've brought you exclusive Lancome content. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what this year's holiday box looks like, and it is beautiful. This is the 2022 Lancome holiday beauty box, and she is golden, literally. The bag is very gold and very gorgeous, and she looks like this. Inside the beauty box you have all the items. I will tell you guys a little bit about each one as always. If you guys want to see looks with the palette, let me know. I am more than happy to do that. So basically the box contains 8 full-size products in this luxurious gold packaging, which I am literally obsessed with. So this box is valued at $542 and you can get it for $75 with any purchase of $42 or more. So it's almost like a purchase with purchase. The more you bundle, the more you save, as always. I will just show you guys randomly what's in the package. The very first item is the Advanced Genific Serum. This I've used for so many years. One of the top selling Lancome products of all time. People rave about it, they swear by it. This one even skin tone, it hydrates the skin and it plumps the skin as well. This is a 1 fluid ounce and the regular price is $78. So just with the purchase of the box, you are already covering the price of the serum, right? This is $78, so not a bad deal. So the next item in here is the Advanced Genific Year. This is for the eye. I think not too long ago it was repackaged. I really love the new packaging of it. This one's supposed to target wrinkles and smooth fine lines, and this costs $69, and this is only a 0.5 fluid ounce, but trust me, you do not need more than that because it will last you a very long time. Next up we have the Renergie Lift Multi-Action Ultra. This is a face cream. This one does have SPF 30, which I appreciate about the Renergie Lift Multi-Action Ultra creams. Basically it's an anti-aging moisturizer that's supposed to lift and firm the skin. This one is a 0.5 fluid ounce bottle and it is considered a full size. If you have dark spots, uneven skin, this one is great for correcting that. People who suffer with, I guess, hyperpigmentation. This one is pretty awesome. So I love that it is like a 2-in-1, SPF as well as moisturizer. Love this one. So this is a $30 value, by the way. We also get the Bifacil, which is like the best eye makeup remover ever. Like, I swear by this. And they also have a new one, which I'll be making a comparison on it very soon. This removes eye makeup effortlessly. It doesn't matter what you have on, it's gonna remove it. Guaranteed. I've tested it out, tried and true. It is absolutely amazing. This is a $32 value. We get the Lash Idol, which I really enjoy. I enjoy most of Lancome mascaras, no doubt about it, and Lash Idol is no different. I think the Grandiose Extreme still remains my favorite. However, I do enjoy the Lash Idol quite a bit as well. And this one is valued at $27. Their mascaras are absolutely phenomenal. Like, majority of them. The Definisil is like one of the top sellers, but for me it doesn't do much, so I prefer Lash Idol, Monsieur Big, and my tried and true Grandiose Extreme. Next up I have the Lapsulu Gloss. This one is in the shade Atelier Parisian, and it is just a soft pink, almost a soft nude pink, which I like. This one is valued at $27. This is a vitamin infused gloss and it is good for hydrating the lips and making the lips look more plump, although we do not need any plumping over here. If you're into that sort of thing, there's the added benefit of the lips looking more hydrated and plumper. So this one is the Lapsulu Gloss. We also get a full-size lipstick, which I love how the lipsticks open. So this one is in the shade French Tea. This one is not matte. The cream lipsticks as well as the matte lipsticks are phenomenal. This one is a $32 value. As you can see, you're getting value for your money. So spending $75 and getting all of this is an absolute steal. This is the Tonic Confort, and this is a hydrating toner. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. This is advertised for dry skin, but I use it and it is very comforting on the skin. It does say dry skin, even sensitive skin. I am on the oily side of things, but somehow this works for me as well. I think it's because of the texture of it. It's almost like soothing and creamy, so it works for me as well. I use it and I enjoy it. We do get a mini of the iconic La Vie est Belle bottle. This is so cute, like absolutely stunning. I do not need to keep this, so I'm gonna gift this to one of my people. I feel like every year finding out what the palette looks like is always a surprise. This is the Holiday 2022 Eye and Face palette. This is a limited edition palette. There are 12 eyeshadows in here. You also have 4 cheek and complexion shades as well. Oh no! Oh no, we had an accident. One is broken. I'll have to let Lancome know. One is broken, as you can see. I hate that for me. Okay, so we had quite the accident, but this is what the palette looks like. It's neutral. I'm not a big fan of the palettes, to be honest. I can get some looks out of it. I think if you're my shade or darker, I just feel like you don't have much to play with. It is pretty, but the shades are kind of like ultra neutral and ultra cool, in my opinion. So the face palette is also around the same line, and I'm usually underwhelmed, I will say. Year after year, I say the same thing. If you go back in my previous videos, you will see the packaging is stellar, always. The actual color story of the palette is very underwhelming, and I just feel like there's not much I personally can do with this. So this might be somebody's gift minus that broken palette. I am gonna let them know that it was broken. I mean, it's not their fault. I think it happened in transit. I can just probably brush it off. It's not a big deal, you know? So for the price of the beauty box and for all the products and goodies that we get, I feel like it's still worth it, even if I am disappointed in the palette. I'm not gonna swatch it because, like I said, I might most likely gift it to somebody who's a few shades lighter than myself, basically. Maybe one of those days they'll actually like get it right. That is my overview of the 2022 Lancome Holiday Beauty Box. Overall, a great value for your money. This gold vanity case is so cute, like ultra cute. Thank you as always for watching. I hope this was helpful in some way. If you guys are planning to get the holiday beauty box, that is basically what you're gonna get. I got like early access because I'm an elite member. I've spent enough money, but I did purchase the box myself. Let us know what you think about the 2022 holiday beauty box. Again, every year they're kind of similar with a few upgrades here and there, but I generally know what to expect, and I was pleasantly surprised by a few things and underwhelmed by one main thing, as you saw. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.